In this video, I want to show you how to look at students' results for a test. So in your course, you would need to go to your test that you've administered. And below all of the directions and information about the test, you will see a table of submissions. So as a student takes the test, it'll tell you the date and time that they took the test. It'll tell you if it has been completely graded and what their score is. You can click on Show and see that one student's results for each individual question. You can click on View and actually see each of the test questions as well. I'm going to click back to that table. And notice I have one student down here whose test has not been graded yet. Also notice that the submission time is in red. Now that means that the student actually took the test after the deadline. So that red is just a flag for you to know that they submitted after the due date. Now I'm going to grade this test, so I'm going to click Show. And notice on the questions that itslearning can grade, it went ahead and graded those for me. Anything that was a short answer question, fill in the blank, essay, open-ended, I have to grade those. So those that actually says needs assessment. So if I click on needs assessment, it's actually going to open the entire test for the student. And so I can just kind of briefly look through the questions that it has graded. And then when I get to a question that I need to grade, I can read their answer here in the second column. And if that is the correct answer, I can put in the points. This is an incorrect answer, so I'm going to put 0. Go down here to the next one. This is a correct answer, so I'm going to go ahead and put 3 in there. Continue scrolling on down. Notice on this particular question, itslearning knows that the correct answer is source, but I told it not to grade it because I didn't want the student to misspell the question or misspell the answer and itslearning to grade it incorrectly. So I went ahead and said that I have to give the points on this one. Continue on down. Notice that's all the questions I needed to grade, so I'm going to click OK. If there was another one that I needed to grade, I could click OK and Next Student. So now I'm going to go back to that test, and I can see the student got a 19 out of 22 on this particular test. Now, a few things for you to notice. When the test results come in, all of your class periods will be mixed together. If you want to filter by certain periods, if you're at the middle school or high school level, you can click here on Group, and you can actually choose different periods so that it only shows that one particular period of students. If you click the column heading for name, it'll actually alphabetize the list for you. That can help in terms of transferring grades to a grade book. And then one other great feature is this Send Reminders tool. As the deadline is approaching for a test to be submitted, you can click here on Send Reminders. itslearning is going to compose an email just to the kids who haven't done the test yet. You can edit it if you want to, click Send, and then those kids will get an email reminder saying, hey, you need to go in and take this test. Hopefully that helps you figure out how to look at the grade results on a test.